I'm Doug the Neighbor, and this is House Busters. Take a look at this. They are building a modular home on this lot here, and so they brought in a huge crane. Look at the size of that crane, zowie, and they're now swinging the already poured swimming pool into place. Oh my gosh, take a look at this. This is how you build a modular home. They're swinging in the pool right here on that giant crane. It's called a checker crane out of the writing over there. And here comes the pool. If you look there at the back, you can see some of the piping for the pool. All right, so now they're swinging it on in, and you got the pros over there guiding the thing. All right, here's the neighbors up there on the roof, okay, taking a look. Absolutely fantastic. This is how you build a modular home. All right, now they're pushing it into the pit over there. You can see that. It seems to be spinning a little bit. Okay, all right, I'm not real, okay, so the piping is on the other end there. All right, see how they're lowering it? Look at the size of that crane. Absolutely fantastic. This is how you build a modular home. Oh, there they go, they're swinging it into place. Okay, just moving it on over. This is going to be a little tight. These guys are pros, they can do it. Okay, and this is Brody Construction here in awesome Austin, Texas, doing this. All right, there you go. Zoom on in there. You can see they're just about ready to lower it on into the pit. Okay, oh, not much longer. Okay, just dropping it on in. That's how you do it. Unbelievable. Down a few more minutes. Down. Moving on in. Moving it on in. Okay, just dropping it on in very slowly. Now, one of the problems is they had some trees over there and they missed all those trees. They did a pretty damn good job. Okay, there we go. All right, huge crane lifting in the pool. Oh, there you go. Now they're going to size it on up to make sure that it's all perfect. Okay, all right, dropping it on in. There seems to be a little problem there. Yeah, I'm sure they have to line everything on up. Okay, let's see if we can't get in a little bit further. There's the boss right there. Okay, doing his thing. Yeah, the crane driver, he's awesome. He's sitting up there nice and comfortable. Workers here doing it. Absolutely fantastic. I'm Doug the Neighbor with House Busters in awesome Austin, Texas.